What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we are breathing new life into an 11-year-old truck. But first, here is that housekeeping we always talk about. For those of you that are returning, thumbs up, click the bell symbol, make sure that you aren't missing out on any of the content that we are producing. Be a friend, tell a friend, get it in front of new eyes just like yours were at one point. For those of you that are brand new, thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell symbol, and make sure to comment below where you're watching this from. It does help our analytics and it does get it in front of new eyes just like yours. Let's get into it.
Get that bag, get through.
Father told me to repent, I had to trash my sins. I done did some things before, I never do again. Lately I've been in my zone and all I get is wins. I had to come up with some money just to pay the rent. Working hard, just to stay afloat. They was hating on the low. I was rolling with the bros. Diamonds on me, yeah, my wrist is froze. She hit my phone while she home alone. Baby, you on hold, I been in my zone. Ain't nothing wrong, but you on your own. I ain't mean to bring you down, but now I'm moving on. You ain't believe me, I'm done with the fakery. You was a fantasy, you gonna hang with me. I told my homies you was the one, that you had my remedy. I kept it 100, but you was folding, call it insanity. Look at shawty and she booted up. She hating on me, but she knows us. I got the gang, yeah, you know it's us. Undefined till I'm in the dust, yeah, yeah, till I'm in the dust. Undefined till I'm in the dust, yeah, 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 yeah. Father told me to repent, I had to trash my sins. I done did some things before, I never do again. Lately I've been in my zone and all I get is wins. I had to come up with some money just to pay